beautiful video by DIL. Very nice, lovely
and
video.
praise can't sound the same thing. Yours be like, just praise yours be more like Stevie Wonder when they see. When
he can't do...
maybe Pacey Sledge. Hammer.
Yes.
When a man loves a woman.
Yes. Anyway, tell us, oh, somebody there on the line. Good evening. Hello? Hello? Water? Oh, slow water. Oh, slow water.
Yeah, slow water. Go and change your name and change your ways.
My brother, if you not change your name, we'll personally make sure you don't go to heaven.
Yeah, that you are slow water.
Anyway, make you call us back. I beg. We'll go over to you, DIL.
DIL, where that your money? Where that briefcase for your money? No, be even only us.
Don't carry him now. Don't carry him. Go. You know, see him.
Go find him back.
So the girl.
See, Messi Youngster on top Twitter say that man that you are money for the video. Where he did? Say DIL, I beg.
Don't carry him. Go now. She don't carry my car. Commot.
Bill, the Messi Johnson say, I beg you, fit feature me. Now only one bundle of the dollar now to carry. Anyway, DIL, make we ask you, at which point in your life, or basically, to start with, what you study for school?
Music business and technology.
You already them before?
Technology.
Yeah.
Okay, when you enter Nigeria?
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yours 2 years ago.
Just
when last you enter before that 2 years?
2004.
2004. You can't go there, go cook yourself well before you come back.
So 9 done.
So now, what you study for school, how it relates to...
What's it do?
What you do?
Wow, it was... Okay, I moved to UK in 97.
Sorry, somebody down the line. Hello,
yeah.
Good evening. Oh, you come back to you.
Hello.
Good evening. Hello, my sister, Hadiza. Hi, yeah, Kike.
Good evening.
Yeah, Kike, Hadiza, yeah, yo.
How you doing?
Hello.
You want to talk to DIL?
Yes, I want to talk to DIL. There's one thing I have in common with DIL is I love India.
Oh, you see?
Hadiza.
Thank you, darling.
Sing small Indian music for them.
तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम जाने मन मोहब्बत की ऐ कसम की कसम खुदा होंगे हम तुम्हारे हैं तुम्हारे सनम.
Why did they always put hand for head like this? Hadiza, namaste. Namaste. Chalate.
We will sing our own.
Chalate. Hadiza, namaste. Chalate. Abacha. Abo, thank you.
All and all.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Chisoma.
Hello, good evening.
Cheesy.
How is you?
I'm fine.
Hey.
You want to talk to DIL?
You want to talk to DIL, Nabi?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, they hear you.
I like your music.
Thank you.
Now you have changed your mouth right now because you have seen Fine Boy in the video.
I want to see DJ EasyB.
You want them?
Yeah, I want them.
Okay, they hear you.
They hear you. Good evening.
Oh, wait. Chisaba, wait.
Mother.
You want to DJ EasyB to have been a DIL you want?
No, I want to talk to EasyB.
Okay. At least I say you want two of them.
I don't know. Come on, you want this?
Good evening.
Since they say you dey work out, your body don't dey.
Hey! My brother, you are dead! Hey!
Answer question.
Are you working out?
Or you are working in?
The guy like chests. Moscow.
Are you working out or you are working in?
Chisaba.
Yes,
So you like people when they walk in and walk out, okay?
both of them.
No, thank you. My brother, you are dead. D-E-D.
You are finished.
Hello, good evening. Would you on the line, Pico?
Amo.
Hi, baby. Amo, how is you?
Hello, Amo.
Oh, no.
You see, and only guess they come.
Yeah, make it again. You see EasyB on one side and you see on the next side of the ring.
When they walk out.
Two fighting.
One day EasyB not go back what come here.
Then they go.
You can't show chest. Anyway, we'll still get DIL for inside studio. We'll come back. We'll concentrate on asking DIL everything about the music work.
Maybe quick take some tweet message. Valerie Ame say, DIL, that your music is very nice. You fit imitate R. Kelly sing Christian ones for people like me. People like you, I don't know.
Now, in the sing music, this guy is a man of God.
He say, Samuel and Samuel, but sincerely, this a cappella video is so cool and so mature. I love the creativity in it. Oh, see as this second video, slow and holy. Say Mercy Johnson. Say na semi-holy, almost holy. Oh, you know 100% holy. Na cappella holiness.
When they come back, they will go market. And I'm not gonna give you that now. Another beautiful song.
Now, very, very sweet song.
You
take and drink curry and akara.
Oh, if hunger they beat you.
Under the mango tree, under that bench.
Play this song. Ooh. My brother, you'll be filled.
Who could be back in terms? You could
be filled. If landlord for you for house, then sack you letter. Give you sack letter. Listen to this song.
Hey, then you could do your leg like this, now so.
Your life will come back. Anyway, then a wonderful video from DIL. In case you don't aware, time not there again for us on top of the show.
No, in case you are not aware.
In case you don't aware. DIL will come back on Monday. Next week, Monday, DIL will come back. So everything will concern DIL. So all those guests, when see they try call, you can call, don't worry. On Monday, you can call. You can begin to send your tweet messages now to DIL, you know.
Messi, you let them send the message. Wow, perfect cute video. I love it, DIL. Thumbs up. In fact, it make my temperature rise. And Valerie say, wow, DIL, I love this last music. You try very well. Samuel Zenebo, do you have any special thing with Jamie Adade? You both make a good couple, Sha. Somebody cannot use a fine girl in the video.
I think she take the look. You get one part where she do cut eye, come bend, come shake bum bum like this.
She was looking at me.
You grab it. Do that again.
You get what she take shake bum bum like this. for that place where grass there, he didn't color, can't do like this. He didn't color. You know, as girls
wear black skirt.
He didn't color, can't do like this. My baby. I don't know. Do you have any?
No. It means my paddy now.
He's your paddy?
Yeah,
my
she's like my sister.
Like my brother live that thing.
I don't know.
Not the same blood on that. I don't know. My sister.
Well, like blood.
I know how many people will be easy be sister.
Sister and brother. Miss almost said DIL.
Like white piece.
I buy you.
DIL, give me a high five.
Una meet outside. Una yam outside.
You can't say the white piece now. Don't be me now. Who, me? Don't be me talking about my now.
Yes! If I jump now,
you see me, so you're white.
Don't be me talking about.
My brother, finally, this truth has opened. Ask the question.
Miss almost said, DIL, I pardon your song. The video are tight. Now what for now? Una be like fair weather friend, like chameleon. The first video una say too many kills, 122 kills versus 4 guys. It had another perspective. Mufebo, oh wow, I do a very cool video, very matured. Now this one with Jamie and Ade, oh,
it's yummy.
You make my temperature rise.
Yummy, not be Jamie, yummy.
You know how to get bono, Jamie and Ade?
Yummy.
I do the same thing. You know?
Yummy.
Excuse me.
Anyway, double toilet.
Don't make my temperature rise.
Make not forget, DIL will come back on Monday. What will be your Twitter handle? Sharp.
What's the DIL? WHATDADIL.
Instagram, go.
What's
the DIL?
What's the DIL?
What's the deal? Anyway, DIL will come back on Monday. Those of you who call double toilet. Those of you who want to play that song. Make una not vex.
You make my temperature rise.
You make my temperature.
Move up to all the girls who want me. Them say that they love me. Every night them texting me to all the girls who